Angel's message for you that someone loyal open up and important good news. They are in love with you and want to commit you as soon as possible. They are very genuine and trustworthy, who brings a clear intentions, care and a genuine consistency in your relationship. They will always be joyful and put a smile with love. A gradual conversation leading to a long-term potential relationship forever filled with a lots of love and with a huge prosperity. So, archangels blessings you to open your arms for this beautiful everlasting love, a great happiness, true love with your soulmate. You are going to tie a bond with your soulmate. The coming days, it's full of happiness, full of love for you. A meaningful and a prosperous bond with your soulmate, leading a way towards a happy marriage, which you always deserve. So it will be an amazing, a miracle, because your soulmate is eager and coming to commit you as soon as possible. So get excited and affirm, my soulmate is committing me with love forever in a special moment. Thank you, angels. Thank you.